Hi everyone, today we are making Shira that is served in the temple or during puja. So it's called Satyanarayan Katha Sheera. For that we need fine semolina, ghee, milk, cardamom and nutmeg powder, some saffron, some raisin and some dry nuts. So let's get started. For that we need a bigger pan, okay, like this. So 1 cup of semolina, 3/4 cup of ghee. Make sure it's ghee, okay, not ordinary butter. It has to be ghee from the Indian store. So now we are going to roast it until it changes color. Now you see the color is white. So when it's done, the color is going to be brown. So keep stirring it and make sure you have a scraper like that. This way you can scrape it off. On the side, we are going to heat up some milk. So 1 cup of semolina, 3/4 cup ghee and 3 cups of milk. So that's the measurement that you need to follow if you have to double up your recipe. Now on the side, I'm going to chop everything, saffron, nuts, everything. Now you see the semolina is turning brown, right? That means it's ready. Now keep the lid ready for you. I'm measuring the lid. Make sure it's covered properly. Add your nuts, raisin. I am using the reddish raisin from the Indian store. Okay, make sure you use that one, not the other one, not the brown one. Okay, reddish one. Now add the milk. Make sure milk you add it slowly. And once the milk burns, that means you are going to add sugar. I am using 50% less sugar, but ordinary 1 cup of sugar is required, okay? But my family doesn't like that much sugar, so I added less sugar. And turn off the gas now because our Shira is ready. Serve it with cardamom and nutmeg powder. And at the end, when you are ready to eat, you serve it with our dry nuts. Thanks for watching. Bye.